Hello, how are you going? I said that the motors had bad bearings, so I'm doing another video. I had two flights, and two motors had bad bearings from the beginning. So I did not fly with them, and they had already bad bearings. And a couple of motors has good bearings. So these, I never fly with this one. With this one I fly, this one I fly, this one I fly, and these three are good. And I fly on my i6 configuration, so one up, one down, stuff. And these are the motors with the bad bearings. There used to be two. Then I heard a third one had bad bearings, so I decided to make a video, and I checked them all to make sure I have all the motors. So this is the first one. I hope you can hear it. Okay, this is the second one. This is the third one. It's one of the worst, I believe. Yes. This is the fourth one. Oh, this is the worst. Yes. Definitely the worst. So I will show again the worst in here. You can hear it slightly. This one is the least worst, but I'm afraid it will be worse. So already in advance I will show you. Okay, I hope that's on the tape. And final but not least, this one again, to make sure I have everything over here. Yes. So Banggood. I'm really satisfied with the motors, except for the bearings part. Yeah, the motors are really powerful. They can 6 of them can lift a multi-cut of like 4 kilo with ease. So yes, satisfied with the power, but not so satisfied with the other 4 engines. 2 engines you already sent to me, so that's so you need to send 2 more engines, motors, electric motors. Yes, thank you in advance.